Hi friends, today we'll draw the yin yang circle. So for that we'll need a scale, a pencil, and a rounder with a pointed pencil. So I guess y'all know the yin yang circle. So it is like two circles and then a one big circle to get the exact shape. So now we'll see how we can draw it. So first, basic shape, draw a vertical line. So the yin yang circle is a Japanese concept. It is the symbol which represents that there's always something good in bad and something bad in good. Yeah, so first we'll draw vertical line. Let me just adjust my camera. Okay, cool. Now take any certain amount of distance in your compass and draw a circle uh, which had center on the vertical line that we had drawn. So this will be our first inner circle. Now we have to draw another circle that touches this circle on one side, like so. We will with the same distance mark another point on the line, and with this point as the center of our next circle, we will draw another circle. So like in this way, the second circle touches the first circle at one point. Okay, we have got two circles now. So these are the two inner circles, and now we will have to draw one big outer circle. So this is a very simple way. I'm telling you the simplest way to draw yin yang. We will take the distance of diameter of first circle. We will keep the pointer of the rounder at the point where the two circles are touching each other, and we will draw one big circle which touches the exterior boundaries of the two internal circles. So that will be it. So we've got, okay, so this is the exterior shape of yin yang that we've got. Now we have to draw the two innermost circles that represent the good and bad and good, the two most important circles for that. Put your pointer on the center of any one circle and take appropriate distance in the rounder and draw a smaller circle in the first circle, and similarly draw a smaller circle in the second circle. So yin yang is very famous. You can also, most people make a tattoo of this. So we have to erase these two lines. We have to erase it so that it gets a proper look. So after erasing, it will look like this. So now the one part of the circle is always white and the other part of the circle is always black. So for reference, I'm just shading one part so that it looks different than the other part. So you can like do this with colors or anything, or just for reference I'm showing you this. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my small channel, as it will motivate me to grow more. This is the black part. It is like the bad part of life. It is represented with the darker part, and then some of the bad part is in the good part, and the white part is the good part of life, and some of it is in the bad part. So like There's always something good and bad, and there's always something bad and good. That's the yin yang. Thank you.